Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet this bullion stitch. Now here it is where there's just a whole line of them, but you can also incorporate it in your projects. These are done a little tighter, so you really can't see them that well. And these I did a little more on the loose side. So it's probably best to do them a little on the loose side. So when you're on your end, I usually chain 3. So let's go ahead and start the bullion stitch. So you'll need to yarn over on your hook 7 times. Some people will do it 5, some will do it 9. In this one, I'm just doing 7. I think 7 is more the in-between the traditional one. And you need to yarn over and make sure that you yarn over loosely. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now we're going to insert our hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, and now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 loops. You'll need to take your yarn and you're going to go through all of those loops, all 9 loops. So yarn over, pull through. It's a little tricky, guys. So here's 2, and you can grab this yarn and go through it. Some people let go of their yarn and then just take that and slide it over the hook. I prefer to do mine this way. And there you are. And you'll want to chain 1 to secure it. Now you can put a double crochet in the next stitch if you want, however you want your pattern to go. Okay, so let's do another one, and that's what it looks like. Let's go ahead and do another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. Now yarn over and go through all 9. So here's what I'm talking about. Like, some people will let go of the yarn and they will, sorry, let's get that going. I don't like doing this way, but I just wanted to show you that it can be done this way. Obviously I'm not as great at it this way. But it can be done that way. There you go. And then don't forget to chain 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And like I said, you're doing it a little on the loose side. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and go through all 9 loops. And there you go. That's it. That's all you got to do, folks. You can do this. So if I went too fast for you, just put your video on slow speed. That's the bullion stitch. Have fun with it. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.